Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a eyebrow template. I did get this from Wish, so it was $1. I've had it for a while. I just forgot I had it, and right now when I was like organizing my makeup, I saw it, so I was like, I'm going to do a video on it, finally. And yeah, I saw this and I was like, what the fuck? And as you guys can see, I have really bad eyebrows. They're not shaped at all, like at all. And yeah, so we're gonna try it out today. That's why I have no makeup on, because I always want to make my eyebrows first before I do the rest of my makeup, just because if it gets messy I can just clean it off. But yeah, so this is what the actual template looks like right here, and it's all in Chinese, so I can't read it, but yeah, it was $1, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. And this is what it looks like. So I'm guessing you have to put it like this. I'm gonna have to clip this wig back. So I'm guessing you have to do this, which is probably not gonna work because of the way my hairs are. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm gonna have to do it one by one and kind of like find the shape of it. I'm gonna have to flip it and then do one eyebrow at a time. So that's what I'm gonna do. Lately what I've been using to like my everyday eyebrow product has been Elf's brow pencil in the shade Taupe. Those are only $2, and I really like this pencil. It's easy to work with, and then it doesn't feel waxy or anything, and I usually like using pencils more than pomades. It's just easier for me. So I'm just going to use this to fill it in. I'm almost out of it, but I do have a backup one over there, so it's okay. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put, oops, upside down. Going to go ahead and put it the shape of the tail. So like this. And I'm just going to fill it in. So I'm really pushing it down just to make sure that it gets on there. And I'm just going to fill that in like this. I think the pencil is too fat to get into the tail part, but we can fix that. Okay, so do you guys see that? What the fuck? That looks so fucking ugly. So I'm gonna try to do the other one. Hopefully it's not too bad. We'll start with the tail. Okay, ready? Ay. Yeah, I don't like this product, you guys. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. I'm going to clean off the eyebrows. I have one right now, and then we'll see. Maybe what you can do is like use it in parts in a way. Like I'm going to try to show you guys what I mean. I think it also has to do with like my eyebrow hairs, how they're going. Okay, I'm just going to use a dark one to see how the outline comes out. Like, it kind of has a shape on the stencil, on the template, but doesn't come out. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it like the whole stencil part, just to see how that looks. So, see, like, the pencil doesn't even reach all the way to the end. So, oops. Okay, there we go. No, I don't like this product. I don't like it. I don't recommend it. Okay, so my final thoughts. I don't recommend it. Don't buy it. I mean, maybe if you didn't have any eyebrow hairs, you can probably get away with using this. But no, it's not gonna work. I mean, I kind of saw this coming because I've used stencils before and they never come out. They never worked out for me, but I don't know why I thought this was gonna work. But it doesn't. I mean, I like the concept that it would get them even and stuff, but if I want them this high, what the fuck? Don't buy it. I don't recommend it. Probably just gonna throw it away already. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have any products you guys want me to try out, let me know, and I will more than happy to buy them and try them out for you guys. So yeah, bye you guys.